Hey.
Hey.
It's still raining.
Still raining.
But it's not as hard anymore. What did we name the other video?
I was changing.
You can see it shows how hard it was raining, but it's kind of up and down.
I was an airplane.
Yeah. Here, you can be an airplane again. Here.
Okay, I'm done being an airplane.
I'll go pick that up.
I'm okay. Well, you don't have to if you don't want to.
I just want to move around too hard.
Okay, this is my cleavage shirt.
According to somebody.
According to somebody. Cough, cough.
Major cough, cough, edge.
My cough, cough, edge. Wait, what?
I said major cough, cough, edge.
Major cough, cough, edge.
It's like I say phone edge.
Oh. That was a weird laugh.
What, mine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Justin.
Who are you calling?
Are
you a special person?
If I special someone.
Oh, wow. I'm surprised that phone hasn't died yet. Watch it start blinking low battery now. Yeah. Dang.
Well, don't jinx it.
Here, watch it happen. I'm texting with my toes. Get another here.
Dude, it stopped ringing. Dude, is your phone going off yet? Okay, it says he's on the phone, but I don't know if he is. The fuck? That was stupid.
Fudge nugget.
No! You say fudge nugget, I say fudge. Oh, it was loud.
Yeah, I know, that's why I say fudge nugget.
Shit.
Don't say that way.
No, I'm trying to get.
Can't see your phone.
You can't see the corner. Ringing?
Really?
No, it's not even ringing.
It's trying to connect it. Yeah, I have that. I have all three, reluctantly. My parents got me the third one, and I didn't
I didn't have
like
the third one
it.
because I don't like High School Musical.
Neither do I. My parents got it for me. I only watched it once because they made me. Yeah, they did. I'm gonna cheer. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, really?
Not ringing.
Wow.
Dude, I'm just gonna hang up.
I would.
It's 8 p.m. Yeah, he took him to go to
He has to go
he has to go to bed in an hour.
Yeah, put emphasis on the go to.
It's a B in bed.
He has to be in bed. That's what. Remember?
Well, her mom said
My mom said that I had to
be in bed at
one time, like, cause I went to bed at like 3 or 4.
We lied to her mom
This morning.
so hard this morning.
We went to bed at 6 and we said 3:30.
No, I went to bed at like 6. She went to bed at like 7.
I went to bed at 7 because I was texting him.
You were texting Justin?
Yeah. And Carol.
That's not fair!
He texted me in the morning and then my phone was on vibrate, then I turned it on silent.
So he texted you?
Yeah.
In the morning?
Yeah.
What do you say? That's not fair. He texted you, but he doesn't text me. My phone's off.
Looking for it. Okay. At 7:52 this morning, he said maybe. And I was like, ah.
What did you ask him?
If he was going to movies.
Mm-hmm.
Then he said, if I get money, I'm like, yeah, same here. Then he said, ha, I have like 500 in an account, but my grandpa might not let me get in and out of it.
Okay.
And I said, oh, that sucks. And yeah, that's it.
Oh my god, he's so sick of me in person!
I wouldn't know. I wasn't with them.
She was supposed to be with us.
No.
Well,
My mom wouldn't take me.
That's why he came over to my house and he walked wagon bag with me and
No, my mom wouldn't take me to your house because my dad doesn't have gas in his car. So he took my mom. Finger distance. Okay. Sorry, I don't like being on my knees. What?
Nothing.
Say it.
I said you don't.
No, I have knee problems. Oh yeah. Brandon, Dad, Chad, Justin, Jason, Jason. Kid's name?
Yes, sir. Go talk to you.
I don't see why, but my mom is making me name my first girl child Ziva from NCIS because she loves that name. Oh yeah, your red pencil.
My red pencil. It's like wood. It's like wood from a tree. And it has.
I'll have to get some blood in it. Is it already in there?
What?
Is it already in there? How do they make these things?
I don't know.
Like they have a big log, and they like shave it, and they stick the lead in it, and then they shrink it. That's how they do it. Then you have to shove it. With scissors. I don't know. Together. And watch a spark come off your door. No!
Dude, look at that.
What? Ew, what is that?
That is nasty Skittle water.
Ew!
Yeah, Megan put like a yellow and green Skittle in there. No, like yellow and yellow and orange Skittle in there. And it was nasty puke color.
I feel nauseous now. I'm going to set this in the room. Pretend like I'm taking. Shit! No, I'm not. I was gonna go like. I need a mouse. I'm on the mouse. You covered me. Hello. Yes, I know I'm weird, Holly. Don't give him that look.
Oh. Oh no. Yeah.
I would have been like, oh.
Yeah, no.
Ninja! Get up. Oh my god, wow. She's been abusing me all day.
I have not.
I couldn't think.
I didn't like.
Yeah, earlier in the other video, she tried to punch me, then I did that, and then she went boom!
Good. I want Mr. Fluffy Pants. Mr. Fluffy Pants.
Who doesn't have time?
What is with you and showing my bed?
Because I'm sitting on here. You're so far away. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go. Dumbass. Oh, I hate it. Oh, I hate it. Hello.
Dude, this school is really starting to piss me off.
There's someone.
Don't say that.
There's someone.
Someone.
Hey, Steve. Hey, hey.
Mr. Fluffy Pants. Oh, that was so nasty.
Yeah.
He's my baby. I'm gonna breastfeed him. Mr. Fluffy Pants.
She made my penguin breastfeed from me. She like had it right there. I was like, what the crap?
No. Wait, where's my other fucking pillow? Here, give me my pillow.
There you go.
Okay, so we shoved this up her shirt into the fact she was pregnant.
And then she whacked me, and then
So
it feels like I was in labor.
So I whacked it, and she was like, I was just like, pow! And then she's like, and I was just like, it sounds like you're in
I wasn't
labor.
like that. I was like, because I couldn't breathe.
And then so I was just like, it sounds like you're in labor. And so we were pretending she was in labor. And then so I was just like, oh, it's a beautiful penguin. And then so she was holding, she's like, come to mommy.
I was holding it, and then she like shoved